Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Craddle Cap is probably one of the most innovative and versatile accessories to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and style that caters to a wide range of users, from outdoor enthusiasts to urban commuters. Its ingenious design aims to solve everyday problems with a touch of elegance, making it a standout product that demands a closer look from anyone seeking practical yet sophisticated solutions for their daily lives. Number 5. Frida Baby 3-Step Cradle Cap System. Dealing with Craddle Cap can be frustrating. Introducing a simple, 3-step solution designed specifically for your baby's delicate skin. This system includes everything you need to gently treat Craddle Cap. It's designed to make the process easy and effective for both parent and baby. With a specialized sponge, brush, and comb, you can gently exfoliate and soothe your baby's scalp. It's designed for maximum comfort and minimal fuss. The set comes with a convenient storage stand to keep everything organized and ready for use. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for managing Craddle Cap. Achieve a clearer, healthier scalp for your little one. This system is designed to bring relief and comfort, leaving your baby's head feeling fresh and clean. What we like. This is a comprehensive 3-step system designed to tackle Craddle Cap effectively. It includes all the necessary tools for a complete treatment and even comes with a convenient storage stand. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that simplifies the process and keeps everything organized, this is the one for you. What people say. The Craddle Cap is a game-changer for keeping your baby's bottles organized and upright in your diaper bag. Its innovative design prevents leaks and spills, ensuring a mess-free experience on the go. I love how the Craddle Cap securely fits most standard baby bottles, making it incredibly versatile. The durable material is easy to clean and withstands daily use, which is a huge plus for busy parents. The compact size of the Craddle Cap is fantastic. It takes up minimal space in my bag, yet holds multiple bottle caps securely. It's a simple yet brilliant solution for parents who are always on the move. Number 4. Safety First Craddle Cap Brush and Comb. Introducing the Safety First Craddle Cap Brush and Comb, designed for gentle care. It helps to soothe and clean your baby's delicate scalp with ease. The soft bristles on the brush are perfect for gently loosening flakes. This ensures a comfortable experience for your little one. Its ergonomic design makes it easy for parents to hold and maneuver. You can confidently care for your baby's head. Crafted from durable and safe materials, this set is built to last. You can trust it for your baby's daily grooming needs. This set includes both a brush and a comb, offering a complete solution. Tackle Craddle Cap effectively with these essential tools. The clean white and blue design adds a touch of style to your baby essentials. It's a practical and attractive addition to your nursery. What we like. This set offers a gentle brush and a fine-tooth comb specifically designed for a baby's delicate scalp. The easy grip handles make it comfortable for parents to use. If you need a simple, effective tool set for regular scalp care and gentle flake removal, this is a great choice. What people say. The Craddle Cap is a game-changer for keeping your baby safe and comfortable during travel. Its innovative design ensures a snug and secure fit, preventing any accidental slips or discomfort. The breathable fabric promotes airflow, keeping your little one cool and happy on long journeys. Number 3. Frida Baby Craddle Cap Treatment Kit. Is your little one struggling with Craddle Cap? It can be a frustrating experience for both baby and parents. Frida Baby offers a gentle and effective solution designed specifically for your baby's delicate scalp. This kit works to soothe irritation and promote a healthier scalp. It helps to calm dryness and prevent those bothersome flakes. Our simple 2-step system makes treating Craddle Cap straightforward. Just use the shampoo and then the flake fixer spray. Achieve a comfortable and flake-free scalp for your baby. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're providing the best care. What we like. This kit combines a soothing shampoo with a flake fixer scalp spray to combat Craddle Cap. It's formulated to calm the baby's scalp and prevent future dryness and flakes. If your baby experiences irritation and dryness along with flakes, this dual-action treatment will provide much-needed relief. What people say. The Craddle Cap is designed to be a secure and comfortable fit for your baby. Its unique design allows for easy adjustment as your baby grows, ensuring a snug fit at all times. The material is soft and breathable, making it ideal for sensitive skin and preventing overheating. Number 2. Mustela Craddld Cap Shampoo and Cream Set. Introducing Mustela's Craddld Cap Shampoo and Cream Set, specially formulated for your baby's delicate scalp. It's designed to gently address seborrheic dermatitis and minimize flaking. This fragrance-free duo works to soothe irritation and restore a healthy scalp balance. You can trust its gentle yet effective formula for your little one. Rest assured, this set has been clinically tested and approved by dermatologists. It's safe and effective for both babies and newborns experiencing scalp issues. Our unique formula helps to significantly reduce scalp flakes, leaving your baby's head comfortable and clear. Experience the difference with consistent use. This convenient 2-item set provides a comprehensive solution for Craddld Cap. It offers everything you need to gently care for your baby's scalp concerns. What we like. This set features a fragrance-free shampoo and cream, clinically and dermatologist tested to minimize scalp flakes. It's ideal for babies with sensitive skin or those prone to seborrheic dermatitis. If you prioritize gentle, hypoallergenic ingredients and a product backed by professional testing, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Craddld Cap is designed to securely hold your baby in an upright position, promoting better digestion and reducing spit-ups. Its unique ergonomic design ensures proper hip development, aligning with pediatric recommendations for safe sleep. The soft, breathable fabric provides comfort for your baby while the adjustable straps allow for a customized fit as your baby grows. Number 1. ADIDAS Unisex Adult Superlite Hat. Experience ultimate comfort with this incredibly lightweight hat. Designed for everyone, it's perfect for any activity. Engineered for performance, this athletic cap keeps you comfortable whether you're training or on the go. Its design supports your active lifestyle. This hat features a versatile, unisex design suitable for adults, boys, and girls. It offers a great fit for all. Discover the difference with our Superlite technology. It provides a barely there feel, ensuring maximum comfort without added weight. More than just an accessory, it's an essential part of your everyday wear. Perfect for sunny days or adding a sporty touch to your look. Trust in the quality and style you expect from ADIDAS. This hat is built to last and designed to perform. What we like. This is a lightweight and breathable athletic cap designed for comfort during physical activities. Its design ensures good ventilation and a secure fit. If you're looking for a simple, functional cap for sports or active play that keeps the head cool, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Craddld Cap is designed to securely hold your phone while charging, preventing it from falling or being damaged. Its unique design allows for easy access to the charging port, making it convenient to plug and unplug your device. The cap is made of durable material that ensures long-lasting use and protection for your phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.